We will now do a breadboarding activity. So what you'll need is your breadboard, the AA battery clip with the two batteries, the two battery, and your Circuits 1 parts list. So let's start off by opening our breadboards. What we're going to use is from the Circuits 1 part list, we're going to use the green LED. So pull it out from the tape. And we're going to use one of the 470 ohm resistors. So that's yellow, violet, brown. So we're going to take those two parts out and we can set aside our circuits parts list. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect the circuit up where we're going to turn on an LED. The 470 ohms we're going to put in series with the LED so that we can limit the current. So we're going to orient our boards with column number 1 on the left side and A on the bottom left corner. So it doesn't matter where we connect these in which columns, so I'm just going to pick some columns. So remember, the LED will only light up with the long leg connected to the positive. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the long leg of the LED into the red channel somewhere. Let me pick column 10. So the long leg is going to go into the positive red channel, and the short leg I'm going to connect into column 10. Okay, so I'm going to push this aside so you can see one side, the long leg is in the red, column 10. The other side is on, the short side is on the column 10. Now I'm going to connect the resistor in series with this. So I'm going to connect the bottom pin of column 10 to the resistor. So I'm going to push this in. You may have to wiggle it a little bit. Make sure it's in. So right now I'm going from row F, column 10, and then I'm going to go to the opposite side. I'm going to go to the blue in column 10. So essentially I have the resistor, and then it's connected, or the LED connected to the resistor, connected to the negative. So I'm going to connect my red to the red row at the top. And what this does is this is going to provide positive voltage to the long leg of the LED. And then I'm going to connect the black to the blue row. It doesn't matter exactly which column I pick. So the entire bottom column is connected and the top column is connected. So now I've completed my circuit. So before I plug in my batteries, let me just check. Current is going to flow through the red wire to this row, which is in red. It's going to flow through the LED connected with the long leg. Then it's going to go through the resistor and come back out through the black wire. So now that my circuit is ready, I can plug it in and check that it works. So I plug it in and it turns on. You can now take out the battery. You can use your fingernails to take it out. Alternatively, a screwdriver can help. Okay, I got it out with the battery. So that's a simple demonstration of how to use the proto board to build a circuit.